Hello everyone. In this video, we will understand about the Weld Bend Test. Weld Bend Test is used to check the ductility and the soundness of the welded joint. This is a destructive test and which is widely used in a welding industry to qualify the welder or to qualify the actual welding process. To perform the bend test, first of all, the test plate is prepared. Now this test plate is prepared based on the governing body standards or the actual process qualification requirements. Once the plates are prepared, the actual welding is performed on those plates. Those performance can be any welding position based on the qualification or based on the requirement. And once the weld is finished on the plate, the preparation of the coupons start, which can be later used to perform or conduct the bend test to check the soundness of the weld. After successful preparation of the coupons, the bend test is conducted. There are different types of method which can be used to perform the bend test. Some of the common methods are bending jig, press brake, or bending machine. Let's talk about the acceptance criteria of the welding bend test, which typically includes the following. First, you have to make sure visually that there is no crack or break which happened on the welded connection or even to a base metal. After that, you can also visually check is there any defect available or not. We always have to make sure when bending test is performed, bend radius is proper based on the requirement along with the belt angle. And finally, visually a proper penetration can be examined and see if there is a proper fusion between the weld metal and the base metal is done. These are some basic understanding and criteria about the welding bend test acceptance. But mainly this test and the acceptance criteria is governed by the local codes such as AWS, ASME or ISO, or sometimes it's also defined by the design engineer.